Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. And I have some items from a company called FLORYFAB. And FLORYFAB, it's very easy to find. It's floryfab.com, FLORYFAB.com. They have very reduced priced kitchen items, mostly kitchen items. They do have some other things. They have some children's toys and things like that. So I wanted to show you this. This is a silicone glove. This is food grade silicone glove. So if you don't have any silicone in your home, I do. I have a silicone glove myself, and I have some other products that are made of silicone. They can withstand the heat to very, very high temperatures. So it's cute. It has a cute design on it. It's hearts on it. And this came in different colors. And you can put this on either hand. Your hand fits in there. And I'm left-handed, so I will put it on this hand. But you can see by the look of it, you can use it either side, left or right, and it washes clean very well. So you can use this to grab baked potatoes out of the oven, to grab pans if you have two. You can use this to hold the chicken or the turkey while you're carving it, because it won't burn, your hand won't burn, and it fits nicely. And like I said, you can use it on either hand. And this item is $6, and it is food grade. So it came in red, I think, and blue and orange. Well, it's really nice. And then all you do is wash it. You just, rinse it off, wash it with soap and water, and let it dry, and it's ready to use next time. There's even a little spot here if you want to hang it up. So that's really cute. And then I got this. I thought this was just adorable. And it just so happened the day that they emailed me, I was making hard-boiled eggs. And it seems to me I can never quite get my eggs perfect. I do, I get them perfect, and then the next time I make them, a long time goes by and I forget, what did I do that first time? So anyway, this in the packaging, this was out of the package, but I wanted to show you how it should come. It comes on a card like this, and it was all apart in the bag. So it says that it's a color changing egg timer. So it's super cute. It sets in the bottom of your pan, and you have your water boiling. And this came also in pink and green and maybe yellow, instead of, the pink or the green or yellow. And what it does is, as you're boiling your water and your eggs, it's going to tell you at this point if it's soft. What it does, according to the graph here, is it's colored, and you have soft, medium, and then hard cooked. So I'm going to check that out and see how that works. I thought that was adorable. And this is an odd price at $3.06. So it's just cute. It's one of those things that just sits in the bottom of the pan. So we will check that out. And again, these items are food grade. So it says soft and hard-boiled eggs cooked perfectly every time. And then I got this adorable package. Look at how cute that is, y'all. They have some cute things. They have some nice kitchen things, but I have a lot of kitchen things. I don't need a lot of things. I got a couple things to show you. And then this is for children. Look at the cute bag it came in. This was all, it was all shrink wrapped, and I did take that plastic off of it. And look how cute this is, y'all. It's tied, I haven't looked in it yet. It's tied up nicely in this cute little sack. And if I can get the little knot out of it, I may have to take a break and do that so that I don't keep you too long. Yeah, anyway, I got the knot out of it. And what's inside is children's cookware. So let's take everything out. It's gonna clank and make some noise. It's made to look like stainless steel, but it's not real stainless steel necessarily. It's just for children to play with, and I just thought it was so cute. Okay. So we have, I think it got a little dinged up in the shipping. We have a big pot with a lid. That fits on there good. And then we have a strainer. I have one just like that. Then there is like a fry pan. And this pan as well. And I think this lid will fit on both. Yeah, when you're playing, it'll fit on both. And then there are these utensils. There's a spatula. Look how cute that is. And this straining paddle, or whatever you call that. And a big spoon. And this is, what is this like for, this is the kind that's like for pasta. And there's a wooden spoon also. There's 12 pieces all together. And then there's this. This is, you know, to hold a pot, to hold your hot pot like this. I just thought that was the cutest thing. And I have someone in mind for this little gift. So it's not in perfect shape. It's, you know, just a kid thing. But there is one piece and a lid. So the count that is two, you know, two pieces, and the straining pot. And I love this wood spoon. And then you have these 4 other utensils and this pan as well. And that whole set was $13.06. I don't know what the 6 cents means, but it was on a lot of their products, just a couple of cents after. So I just thought it was adorable. I thought y'all may have children and grandchildren that would like something like this to play with. Great gift for, you know, to keep them busy over the summer when school lets out, for birthday, for Christmas. And that lid can fit on the different pans. Well, maybe not quite, because this pan doesn't really, it can go on there, but it doesn't really set. Maybe this one will do better. There we go. Yeah, maybe that's what that's for, instead of the big pot. Anyway, they can mix and match those couple of lids. So I just thought it was adorable. So this company is, again, Flora. Let me say it right. It's FLORYFAB, FLORYFAB. FLORYFAB, and I'll have them below, and I'll have the link. There are these 3 links for these products if you're interested in these products, and then you can, you know, check out the website and see if there's anything you're interested in. It's just the cutest stuff, and I had really not heard of them before, so I thought it would be fun to show you some of these items. So thanks for stopping by and seeing this adorable stuff. Again, we have the silicone glove, food grade, and I'm anxious to use this little handy helper when you're boiling eggs, hard, medium, and soft. And then the kids play set. Thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.